Everyone meet Bella. Look how big she's grown. Bella, look at the camera, baby. Guys, I just wanted to do an unboxing of the Impala Rollerblades. I got this on Thursday and it was meant to be delivered on Friday, but it came today, which is a Saturday. I'm so excited. I'm just going to do an unboxing with you today. Women's US 6, men's UK 3, Euro 37. The colour is light speed inline white, and I got this from City Beach. You can get it from the actual website, but I had a 20% off code for City Beach, so I used it for this. I really like the packaging, it's so cute. So what you get is the extended warranty, a manual, and then finally rollerblades. Wow guys, I'm so excited to try these on. They look so good. And in the middle here must be the brakes. So yeah, you only get the one brake, so I can put it on my left or right foot. So first things first, does it fit? That's the question. I'm really excited to put these on, but I just want to have a quick look at it before I do. It's a really hard plastic, it feels good quality. You've got like the buckle here, which this helps to tighten it on your leg, and then you've got the laces here as well, which I thought was really cute. And then you've got this string here, so when you put your foot in, you can use this to get your leg in easier. The wheels are so cute, I like the pink with the white, and it's all rubbery feeling. So hopefully on the road it will be good, because I haven't rollerbladed in like years, like 15, 20 years. Can't get it on, there must be another way. This is really tight. Oh, yeah. Oh shit, I don't know how to brake without an actual brake yet. It's gonna be a struggle. Your girl just fell on her ass rollerblading. I got my rollerblades in, guys. It's so fun. I'm gonna attempt to try and rollerblade to the post office to mail my bike aligner things off. Good luck to me. Well, rollerblading this morning was fun. I literally fell on my ass like maybe 6 times or something, and it hurts. Like every time I fall down, it happens to just be my left ass cheek. So what the hell, guys? I didn't buy the pads, like the elbow pads and the knee pads. I don't think I need elbow and knee pads. I think I need ass pads because my fucking ass hurts right now. But yeah, I'm gonna keep practicing and see how I go. The hardest thing is going downhill because I can't stop, and even though I put the brakes on the right foot, it's really hard to stop because all it does is slows the blades down, and if you're going really fast downhill, fucking GG, bro. You guys, they're literally not like brand new looking anymore. I got it today and look what's happened, because I fell like at least 6 times. I've scraped it and I've wiped it down. I could probably use Jif on this and get the marks off, but for sure they don't look brand new anymore, and I already knew this was coming because, you know, I haven't rollerbladed in what, 20 years or so. This is the other one. This is the one with the brake. So you can see here I've scraped it as well, and they're really good. Like, I think I just need to keep practicing so that I learn how to actually brake, especially going downhill.